So next we're going to look at the settings part of the dashboard. So there are two settings menus. One is in the site builder and one is in the dashboard. If you know that, it'll save a lot of time when you're searching around trying to find things. So this is the dashboard again, which you'll recognize from the last lesson, and then find settings at the bottom. So when you click on settings, you get general, checkout, sales taxes, tracking tools and units. Okay, so general, that is your address. So that doesn't have to be filled in now, but it will have to be filled in for your store at some time if you plan to have a store. And so you'll need to fill that in at some point and they'll validate that. And then checkout is all the different ways that you can add payment options, secure payment options. So Stripe, PayPal, Afterpay, Square Pay. You can, if you've got an account with any of those people, or you can set up an account quite easily, and then you just connect it to the shop, to the store. You make sure you change the currency at the bottom of that page to your local currency before you sign up to the payment providers. Otherwise, you may have to unsign and then sign up again.